Hello friends, welcome back to our channel and today we are going to do the part 2 of Gau Mata. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. I am getting few subscribers and those who have subscribed, thank you so much. So let's begin. सवेरे सवेरे घरों से सुनाई पड़ने वाली चक्की की घ घ घ, बैलों के गले में पड़े घुंघरुओं के मधुर ध्वनि, मोट पर गाना गाते हुए मोट से पानी बाहर फेंकने और उस मोट के पच-पच ध्वनि, नीमथन के चबूतरे पर बैठकी में डफ कर थपते तीर के सामने आकाश भेदन स्वर के गीत, लावणी की लक्कर, अर्धरात्रि में एकाएक अनेक कुत्तों का दुर्घर्ष भौंकना, गर्जन करना और प्रातःकाल की वह चरचराहट, ये सारे स्वर समूह एक साथ ही में पड़ गए थे। दूर जाने वाली रेलगाड़ी की आवाज़ के समान पूरा गांव दूर दूर एक वीरान हो गया था। So when you know that you are in a village, there are a lot of things you admire, like the sound of the bells which are there in the bull's neck, or maybe this in the midnight only the dogs bark, when you are asleep, and that time only these dogs will bark. So these were all the sounds which were there in the village. And now because there is akhal, because there is no rain, people are moving outside. So suddenly these sounds have vanished. These sounds have gone. And now the writer is missing this. Now this village is missing these sounds. Okay. So this can also be included in the part that करसूल गांव का वर्ण कीजिए. Let's begin with the next paragraph. कुछ लोग थे जो करसूल छोड़कर बाहर नहीं गए थे या नहीं जा पा रहे थे. So there were some people who did not go. यही रहकर अकाल का कष्ट भुगत रहे थे. So now they were still struggling with this अकाल. सयाजी उनमें से एक था. So one of them is our hero of the story, सयाजी. सयाजी के न जाने का पहला कारण था उसके एक पैर का ना होना. So now there is so much of अकाल. Still what मजबूरी is there that this सयाजी is not going? So one point is he did not have one leg. So he was differently abled. He didn't have one leg. वह बाया पैर से लंगड़ा था. So बाया पैर से लंगड़ा था. So without one leg. अनेक सालों की आदत पड़ जाने के कारण वह बैसाखी के सहारे बड़ी आसानी और तेजी से चल लेता था. So it has been many years that he is like that. So that's why he can walk with the help of those sticks, walking sticks. And now you will see that he can do all normal job. He can run also. He can do खेती also with this बैसाखी. खेत में काम भी करता था, पर इस एकलौती टांग ने कभी गांव की हद पार नहीं की थी. बट ही नेवर क्रॉस द बॉर्डर ऑफ हिज विलेज. कारण यह कि बैसाखी के सहारे गांव की सीमा पार कर दूसरी जगह जाना उसके लिए संभव नहीं था. दो ही कैन डू ऑल हिज नॉर्मल डेली वर्क्स, बट इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अ पर्सन टू क्रॉस द एंटायर विलेज विद वन बैसाखी. वह अकाल में अन्न की खोज में गांव छोड़कर कई और चला भी जाता, अपने लंगे पैर की परवाह नहीं करता. पर उसके सामने दूसरी कठिनाई थी, अपनी मेहरारू की. Even though if you think that he might not consider for a while that he doesn't have one leg, and if he decides to go outside, still he cannot go, because there is one more majburi in the story, and that is about his mehraru, means maybe about his wife. उसके पाँव भारी थे. पाँव भारी थे means leg were heavy. Now this heavy doesn't mean that she was fat and she was pregnant. This भारी leg doesn't mean that she was fat. It means that she was pregnant. उसके पाँव भारी थे. अतः इस अकाल में कंगाली में आटा गिरा. So now he is helpless. He has so much of मजबूरी. He knows that he cannot stay in this village happily, but he cannot move outside. एक और खाने वाले मुंह का आगमन होने वाला था. So now there is one more mouth which has to be fed. और तीसरा भी एक कारण था. Now there is third also majburi. So first majburi is his langada pair. Second is this pregnant wife. And third one, let's see what majburi he has. दूसरा कारण दो पैरों का होना और तीसरा कारण चार पैरों का होना. So one is एक पैर का ना होना. सयाजी लंगड़ा है. दो पैरों का होना means the child's pair or the baby's pair is भारी. तीसरा कारण था चार पैरों का होना, अर्थात सयाजी की गौ माता. So there are more four legs. So who has four legs? Animals have four legs. So now he has one pet, and who is this pet? Gau Mata, or the cow, mother cow. So when I said in the starting of the lecture that it is, though it's an animal, but here cow is given a lot of respect like a mother. They call her Gau Mata. Mata means mother. So here the cow is given respect just like a family member or just like a mother. वह अपनी पत्नी और बच्चों से जितना प्रेम करता था उससे भी अधिक ममता अपनी गैया से करता था. He loved his cow the most, more than his family. गौ माता की सेवा किए बिना न उसका दिन ढलता न रात बीतती थी. If he didn't do seva, if he didn't serve the cow, he would not live his day peacefully, nor will he be able to sleep peacefully in the night. गौ यानी सिर्फ एक चारपाया प्राणी है और इंसान की बात वह नहीं समझती, यह उसे मान्य ही नहीं थी. So he was never ready to accept that cow is just an animal and she might not understand what human beings are. He used to think that no, even she knows everything and she is also just like my family member. खरिया में जा वह उससे बात करता था. So he used to talk to her. उसके मन की बातें गौ माता समझती थी. यह उसका विश्वास था. He was 100% sure that the cow understands his feelings. इंसान की सारी बातें यह चौपाया जानवर समझते हैं. So he feels that cows can understand everything. अकाल पड़ा था. कहीं दूर तक अनाज का पता ही नहीं था. साथ ही दूर दूर तक कहीं हरी घास भी नहीं थी. So there was no greenery anywhere. People were dying hungry. There was अकाल. उसकी गाय को खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं था. There was nothing to feed the cow also. गाय की खाली नाद देखकर सयाजी की आंखें भर आती है. So now you can see that everyone is hungry. But here Sayaji is stressed that the Gau Mata is hungry. इस अकाल का फायदा उठाकर कसाईयों ने करसुल गांव में फेरी लगाई थी. So now there was अकाल. People were dying hungry. And now there are people who are searching business ideas in people's tragedy. So these are this Kasai. Kasai means the ones who take buy the cows, they make their meat and then they sell that beef. Kasai. So Kasai means I think it is called butcher, I am not sure, but it's the one who slaughters the cow and then sells the meat. कसाईयों ने करसुल गांव में फेरी लगाई थी. So now these Kasai people are come to buy people's cows, to sell them, to kill them and to sell their meat. अनेक ने अपने ढोर डोंगर बेचकर चांदी के सिक्के प्राप्त किए थे, पर सयाजी ने साफ इनकार कर दिया था. So people had sold their cows for a good amount. They had got चांदी के सिक्के, but सयाजी was resistant. गौ माता की जगह वह अपने राजू या दोनों नन्हों को बेचने के लिए तैयार हो जाता, पर गौ माता को बेचने की बात. He would sell his family, but he would not sell his cow. कभी नहीं, never, never. सिर से पैर तक उसकी क्रोधाग्नि भड़क उठती थी. He used to get very angry if anybody asks him to sell his cow, because the cow is treated like a mother by Sayaji, and nobody would like if anybody asks you that can I take your mother away to kill her. Nobody will like it. So like that only Sayaji is thinking right now that the cow is like his mother and it doesn't want to give it up. हाँ, अब मैं गौ माता की हड्डियों पर अपनी रोटी सेकूं. Should I cook my food on the bones of this mother cow? उससे तो बेहतर है मैं भूख प्यास से तड़प कर मर जाऊं. It's better that I die in pain out of hunger and thirst. भूख से बिलख कर मरना जितना सहज प्रतीत होता है उतना सहज नहीं होता. But it is not easy to die out of hunger. इस बात का एहसास उसे जल्द ही हो गया. He realized this soon. जिस चौपाए जानवर के लिए उसने अपना निश्चय अटल रखा था, वह अकाल और भूख एक दिकिनी पिशाचिनी बन उसकी डहरी पर आ खड़ी हुई थी. So now this hunger is becoming like one big devil and he is feeling scared, but still he is resistant not to give his cow. घर में कोने कतरे में जो पचा कुचा पड़ा था वह सब भक्ष्य अन्न का एक एक दाना खत्म हो गया था. Not even one grain of rice or something was there in his house. Everything was over. खाली बर्तन खड़खड़ रहे थे. Empty vessels were making noise. आने वाला प्रत्येक दिन बीते हुए दिन के अपेक्षा अधिक भयावह सिद्ध होने लगा था. So now every day's fear is increasing, hunger is increasing, there is nothing to feed. अन्न के दाने के लिए घर की एक एक चीज मारवाड़ी बनिए की दुकान की संपत्ति बनने लगी थी. So now there is मारवाड़ी दुकानदार shopkeeper. Now he doesn't have money, so maybe he is selling his utensils or something. So धीरे धीरे even his items are going. खेत में एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा तो पहले से ही रहन पड़ा था. So now there is one tukda of his this farm which is already there like that totally because he cannot pay. कर्जा का बोझ और भी बढ़ गया था. सबको पचाकर अकेला रूपी पिशाचनी विभस्त हास्य करती घर में प्रवेश कर चुकी थी. प्यास बुझाने के लिए अपने बलिदान का लहू और आंखों के खारे पानी के घुटने के सिवाय कुछ बचा नहीं था. So now there was nothing else left. Maybe only his sweat and his teardrops were there, but now there is everything is getting over. पिछले 3 दिन तो महाभयंकर भी थे. So the last 3 days was super tragedy. सयाजी के पेट में सिवाय पानी के कुछ नहीं गया था. So now there was only water in Sayaji's stomach. There is nothing else left for him. उसके जोर जबरदस्ती करने पर राजू ने केवल खाने का स्वाद किया था. उसके इस त्याग भाव से बच्चों के पेट में कुछ ज़्यादा अन्न पहुंच गया था. पेट भर खाना तो उन्हें कभी भी नहीं मिला था. So now there is no food even to feed the kids. Maybe Sayaji can stay hungry and see if extra food is given to the kids. But now there is nothing at all and the kids have never eaten a full meal. आज का चौथा दिन था फाके का. Now it is the 4th day of their fast because they don't have food. त्योहार का दिन था आज. 3 दिन से अन्न का दाना पेट में न होने के कारण राजू को चक्कर आने लगे थे. For 3 days they have not eaten anything. So now Raju is super hungry. वह औसरे पर ही लेट गई थी. Now she is just resting. She is feeling giddy or she is feeling like चक्कर. दोनों बच्चे कहीं मजदूरी की तलाश में निकल गए थे. Both the children have gone outside in search of work. सयाजी गौ माता के गले की रस्सी छोड़ ओसरे से घर में आ गया था. So now again सयाजी has left the cow and he has come back. उसने अपनी बैसाखी कमरे में एक कोने में खड़ी कर दी और क्षण भर उसी प्रकार एक पैर पर खड़ा रहा. He kept his बैसाखी aside and for a long time he was standing there. उसने अपनी बैसाखी राजू ने के सिरकने का आवाज़ उसने सुनी. वह सिकिया भरते हुए फुटफुटा रही थी. शब्द थे. So now here she is grumbling. अब हमसे ज़्यादा भरी कीमती तो ये गौ है. For this Sayaji, his cow is more important than his family. गया को बेच देते तो आज त्योहार के दिन इस तरह भूखे प्यासे. At least if he had sold his cow, at least on this festival day we would have not remained hungry. सयाजी ने अपनी बैसाखी उठाई, सिर पर फटाफट रखी और घर से बाहर हो गया. So now Sayaji cannot bear this. He takes this baisakhi, keeps it on his head and he keeps walking. So this was all for part 2. Tomorrow we'll begin with part 3. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and I think in the more 2-3 parts we'll finish this lesson. Okay? Thank you.